Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the equalizer preset for your Sennheiser Momentum wireless headphones. And to do this, you'll need to install Smart Control app and connect your headphones to it. I've shown you previously on how to do it. Now let's select it. They should be connecting and connected at some point. Then you'll be able to click on them. If not, you might need to restart the entire app. So it seems they are disconnected. In this case, simply go for your headphones, close them and open them again. Now everything should be fine. And right here we have Equalizer, which we can change the presets on top right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.